Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how to create a mind map or concept map with Chatgpt. First of all, regenerate an article to Chatgpt. For this, first of all, we open the Chrome browser. Then, go to the search bar and type Chatgpt. Once it's open, go to the prompt section. After that, type right here write the Article 2 of the United States Constitution. After that, hit the Enter button, and Chatgpt will start generating your article. Once Chatgpt generates your article, one thing you should know is that you can take the article to Wikipedia. For this, open a new tab and type Wikipedia. After that, go to the search bar and type the same prompt, Article 2 of the United States Constitution. Now, there is an article, copy this article from Wikipedia. Then, go back to Chatgpt and paste the article in the prompt. After that, right on the top, create a mind map for the below study implications including elements, steps, topics, tools, and methodologies to clearly show the key points. Please provide a code box with markdown language. After that, hit that button, and Chatgpt will start generating in front of you. Once it's done, go to the starting point of code. After that, click on Copy. After that, open a new tab and type dialinger.io. Once it's open, then, this is a default code by this website. We will remove this code and paste our markdown code. And then, go to the right side. Now, you can see our file is almost ready to convert into a mind map. For this, click on Export as on the top right corner. Then, click on Markdown. Once it's downloaded, open a new tab and type mind.app. Then, hit the Enter button. Once it's open, now right here, click on Download on the upper side. After that, click on Download again. This app will start downloading. Actually, this app is for converting markdown language to a mind map. That's why we are installing this app. This is a very useful app to create a project like that. Then, click on Show in Folder button in your PC. Right-click on the application and then click on Open. It will start installing on your PC. After that, a small window will pop up. After that, click on Verification Code. After that, enter your email and then click on Get Code. Open your email. See the code, copy the code. And then click on Sign In. After that, it will start opening. If you want to shop, now right here, click on Mind Map. A mind map will open. Now, where it says containing this button. After that, go to the top corner and then click on the 3 lines. After that, click on Import. After that, click on Markdown and then select the Markdown language which we downloaded. It will start creating a new mind map. And now, you can see your mind map has been created. Click on Zoom and then click on 80%. Now, you can see it clearly. That's the way to create a mind map for a concept map with Chatgpt. If you want to learn more about this, please comment in the comments section. And if you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.